Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually disconnect and unlink your Epic Games account from your Discord account. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application. Now, from here you sign into your existing account and we go down to the button left of our screen where the user settings appear, right here. Now, open them up and you get a load of options to choose from. We're actually going down the connections right here below devices, and inside here you get a lot of options as well. Now, you can see two of my linked accounts right here, my Spotify and my Steam. Now, let's say my Steam account is my Epic Games account. Now, all you have to do is simply locate it. From there, go to the little X mark right here, press it, and what this will do, it will disconnect your Epic Games account from your Discord account. Now, make sure to actually go down to your servers, check them beforehand, because sometimes you've got some servers that you joined via Epic Games and then they will be disconnected. Now, from here simply press disconnect and that should be it. If you still get any other questions or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.